You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and this name. This is the name of a pasta variety or a pasta shape from Italy, also a surname. If you want to learn more names from Italian cuisine and more names of pastas, stay tuned. Pici is the Italian pronunciation. Yes, a C by itself before an I, it's the same before an E. In Italian is pronounced like CH. CH would be pronounced like a K. I know, it's Italian. Pici. So in English, the pronunciation simply Pici. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.